What's up, ninjas? It's Steven Nomena here, or LRS, or Steven Gaming TV, whatever you want to call me. Today I'm gonna show you a detailed tutorial on making sprites in MMF2 or on Sprite editor. So make an active object, because this is the one you're gonna use the most in making MMF2 games. So this is the color selection section. You're gonna select your colors here, whatever color you want. For example, let's pick red, as it's my favorite color. This is the play tool. This is what you click when you want to preview your actual animation. This is the properties tool and the other selection tool. So here you will have new or clear, import, Control O, or save, export options, and these are the tools. So you can draw, you can make lines, you can make circles, you can rotate like 90 or 50 for a nice angle. And this is animations tab, where you edit your animations and all. This is the directions tab, and this is the direction options tab, where you edit your speed settings and when you can loop, repeat, and stuff. This is the frames tab, where you edit your frames and all. So now I'm gonna teach you how to import. Click the little import icon, or just click Ctrl and O. Now find something nice to import. For example, you want to import the sprites. This is a Target Renegade sprite I'm working on. So click on it and click Open, Ouvrir for French. So click on Pick. This picks the transparent color that MMF2 will automatically set as transparent color. So click it and click the color you want to be transparent, or you can also pick you can also double click here and make it manually. Okay, so you have box mode and import selection. For example, you want to import this part, and you have the part that you wanted to import. So let's say you want to import these frames as animation without having to import them one by one. So to do that, you pick the transparent color and you click import as animation. But note that this will not work if you make it random names. What you're gonna do is add a bottom space and numbers, like walk bottom space 1, walk 2, walk 3, walk 4, up until any numbers you want. It will detect how many frames you have. You can apply settings to it. Replace the current selection, insert before current frame, insert after current frame. So when you click OK, as you see, he can move, and he can't move. He can move his sprite, his animation. So you might wonder, why did it stop? It stopped because you didn't make the settings on looping. If you want to loop it, you can press this loop button and he loops his animation, or you can make also like just repeat it 5 times and stop after. And this back to is when you make frames and you want the animation to restart over here, not from the beginning. You can make it, for example, repeat 5 times back to 5, and as you see, he's repeating from the 5th sprite. So now what you're gonna want to do next is to apply the hotspot. These hotspots are very useful when creating new objects, making him shoot, and other things. So this is like the point of view for animation. For example, you make it here so it's like somebody view it from the bottom. So if you play it, you'll see that it is very the hotspot of all of these are different. And to fix that, you're gonna apply the same hotspot for all. But if you're lazy to do that, you can just press Alt and down, so all of the frames gets the same hotspot when you press Alt. So when you play it, you can see him moving around, and you edit this to make him look real. Yeah. So now you're gonna wanna make the sprites move to the left. So you can use this one option to copy it and to paste and to flip horizontally, but that's just the first option, the basic one. You can also use this one. Right click on your direction, create opposite direction. The opposite direction is not empty. Do you want to overwrite it anyway? Click yes, and as you see, it's flipped up, reversed, vertically flipped. So you select all and you apply flip vertically, and you can see it moving. So I guess that's all you need to know. And just a little tip, this is display previous or next frame. This comes in handy when you're a sprite or pixel artist and you draw a frame and you want him to display the next frame, so you can copy and edit and move on slowly. This is the clone frame and this is the delete frame. For example, you want to delete this frame, you click on this minus. You want to delete these frames, you can click on yes to delete it, or you can clone this frame. And this is next frame and last frame, first frame, and so goes on. So I guess that's all you need to know on Multimedia Fusion 2 development sprite editor. And please subscribe and don't forget to comment if there's something you don't know.